Assalamu alaikum. Hi dear viewers, how are you all? I hope you are in good health. I'm also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. So I'm in front of you again today. This is Mayyu Academe High School Facebook page or YouTube channel. Today I bring something new for you, which are some speech derivations of the words by adding prefixes and suffixes to form different families. So we will learn today how to change a specific word from verb to noun, adjective and adverb. So let's go. Now come to the point. For example, the word accept is a verb and its noun is acceptance, and the adjective is acceptable or accepted, and the adverb is acceptably. Next verb is accuse, and its noun is accusation, and its adjective is accusing, and its adverb is accusingly. Other word is activate, and its noun is activity, and its adjective is active, and its adverb is actively. Let the other verb be add, and noun is addition, adjective is additional, and adverb is additionally. So that's the speech derivations of the words for today. You will get more words in upcoming videos. If you want to watch more videos like this, like, comment and share the videos. Follow the Facebook page and subscribe the YouTube channel. Keep watching our videos to improve your skills. Coming soon. Bye bye.